Let's see where we are. That was the closest I ever got into a stealth plane. Yeah. That was kind of interesting and cool at the same time. Trying to find a spot. A good spot. What? I don't know. Oh, there we go. Oh, right. Whew. Okay.
Carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love finding this way. The trains have a mind of their own. And entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place.
Just a friendly reminder, folks, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs all the way inside the train at all times.
Metal snake. Oh, sweet sir. That's not a snake. It's a train. Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put.
Very funny, Pippin.
Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow! Oh, Jesus. We really must buy some stronger friends.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea. Magic and happily ever after corner in Fantasyland. Place for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and tomorrow. Now, let's wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unfolding.
And as we approach the circus, please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop, and we say all clear. Once again, please stay in your seats.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone. Sit tight. Hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. Even if carry your strollers all the way off the platform before I forward. That'll help make room for a new one. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
As we pull into the station, please remain fully seated with your feet fully inside the train until I give the all clear to disembark.
Hope you packed the compass, because that is the sound of adventure. Adventure land, I should say. Whether navigating out jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventure.
Dark tunnel. Sort of dark.
Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up. For this here's Frontierland. Cowboys, campfires, and buster bears. This outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. I'd say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland. And I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms inside the train.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the moon. And I'm still awed by a rocket's
Please proceed to contacts at your left. Once digitized, you may board your left second and join the games. Fair warning users, competition is fierce and fast. Stick together.
is almost complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. Visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so the passengers can safely hop aboard. It'd be mighty kind of you. And while we're being here, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we approach the station, please